Welcome, gardening friends! Today we're exploring one of the most fascinating vegetables you can grow, jicama. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting out, I'll show you everything you need to know about growing this crispy, refreshing root vegetable. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is jicama? You might hear people debating whether it's a fruit or vegetable, so let's clear that up right away. Despite its sweet apple-like crunch, jicama is actually a root vegetable that belongs to the legume family, the same family as beans and peas. Its scientific name is Pachyrrhizos erosus, but don't worry about remembering that. What you should remember is that this vegetable is packed with fiber, vitamin C and potassium, making it as nutritious as it is delicious. Now, let's talk about where jicama grows best. If you're in USDA zones 9 through 11, you're in the sweet spot for growing jicama. That means you're in an area where the average minimum temperature stays between 20 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit. But here's the good news. Even if you're in a cooler climate, I'll show you how to grow it as an annual crop or even indoors. Don't let your growing zone stop you from enjoying this amazing plant. Ready to start growing? Here's everything you'll need for success. First, find a sunny location. Jicama loves warmth and light. You'll also need well-draining soil that's slightly acidic. If you're growing in containers, choose one that's at least 12 inches deep. Jicama needs room for those beautiful tubers to develop. And of course, you'll need your jicama seeds. I recommend soaking them overnight before planting to give them a head start. Taking care of your jicama plants is straightforward once you know the basics. They thrive in temperatures between 75 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Think warm summer days. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. You want it to feel like a wrung-out sponge. And don't forget about support. These plants love to climb, so give them a trellis or stake to grow on. Think of it as building them their very own jungle gym. Every gardener faces challenges, so let's talk about what to watch for. If you notice yellowing leaves, first check your watering habits. Too much or too little water can cause this. Spots on the leaves. Take a closer look for unwanted visitors like aphids or slugs. Natural solutions like neem oil or diatomaceous earth can help keep these pests in check. And if your plants seem to be growing slowly, make sure they're getting enough sunlight. These are sun-loving plants. After about 6 months of care, you'll reach the most rewarding part, harvest time. You'll know your jicama is ready when the vines start to die back naturally. Look for tubers that have reached about 3 to 6 inches in diameter. When harvesting, gently dig around the plant and lift the tubers carefully. Think of it like a treasure hunt where you already know there's something wonderful waiting below. And there you have it, friends. Everything you need to know about growing jicama. From these humble seeds, you'll soon be enjoying crispy, homegrown jicama in your favorite recipes. Remember, gardening is all about patience and learning, so don't be discouraged if everything isn't perfect your first time. Keep growing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep enjoying the journey. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening adventures. Until next time, happy growing!